Tesla's auto tilt mirror feature automatically adjusts the side mirrors downward when you shift into reverse, improving visibility of curbs and low obstacles. While helpful for many, some drivers prefer manual control. This video will guide you on how to disable this feature. As of December 2024, this feature is standard on Model 3, Y, S, and X, and this video applies to these models with software versions 2023.44.30 and later. To turn off the auto tilt mirrors, start by accessing the Controls menu on your Tesla's touchscreen. This is your central hub for vehicle settings. Look for the car icon at the bottom of the screen to open this menu. Make sure your car is in park for safety before making any adjustments. Within the Controls menu, locate and tap the Service option. This section contains advanced settings. Then find Calibration. This menu is where you can fine-tune various vehicle features, including the mirror settings. In the Calibration menu, you'll see an option labeled Mirror Auto Tilt. This is where you can disable the automatic tilting feature. To disable it, simply toggle the Mirror Auto Tilt option to the off position. Once disabled, your mirrors will no longer automatically tilt downwards when you shift into reverse. They will stay in the position you manually set. After disabling the auto tilt feature in the settings menu, confirm the change by testing it. Shift your vehicle into reverse gear. The side mirrors should now remain in their normal driving position without tilting downward automatically. You can still manually adjust your mirrors at any time using the mirror adjustment controls located on your driver's side door panel. These controls allow you to tilt and position the mirrors to customize your view as needed, whether for driving, parking, or towing. Drivers often disable auto tilt mirrors when towing a trailer. The tilted view can be unhelpful for monitoring trailer positioning and avoiding obstacles, making manual mirror control preferable. Some drivers prefer a consistent mirror position for their personal driving style. The auto tilt feature can feel disruptive to those accustomed to manual adjustments, especially professional drivers who value predictable mirror angles. In familiar parking environments, where drivers know the layout well, the auto tilt feature may seem unnecessary. Drivers in these situations often find manual mirror positioning sufficient for safe maneuvering. These are common reasons why Tesla owners choose to disable the auto tilt mirror feature, prioritizing personal preference and situational needs over the default safety enhancement. In rare cases, the mirror motor might malfunction, causing mirrors to get stuck or not respond properly. Tesla reports a 0.05% failure rate for mirror motors, with most issues resolved via over-the-air software updates. If mirrors are stuck or inoperable, recalibration at a Tesla service center may be needed. This is often covered under warranty, with average repair costs of $200 if not covered. Third-party modifications to automate mirror resets are discouraged due to potential warranty issues. Apps like TeslaMate can void your warranty and may cause unexpected behavior. Software glitches in Tesla's V12 updates occasionally caused unintended mirror tilts, but these are resolved in over-the-air patches. Always ensure your vehicle software is up to date. Disabling the auto tilt mirrors is a simple process, allowing you to customize your Tesla to your preferences. Remember, driving safely is paramount. Whether you choose to use the auto tilt feature or not, ensure you have a clear view of your surroundings. Regularly check Tesla's website or app for the latest software updates and features.